Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles today held a sit-in demonstration at multi-ground in Shillong, demanding further reduction of prices of petrol and diesel. Different commercial vehicle organizations under the umbrella of MJACC are univocal that they are not interested in increasing the fare of commercial vehicles, as this will affect the passengers, especially those belonging to the economically weaker section of the society. They said that the state government can easily reduce the price of fuel, as fuel is a state subject, by reducing the various vehicle taxes, including the doing away with COVID-19 cess, as the state is limping back to normal. A large number of drivers from commercial vehicles from the different localities of Shillong and its adjoining areas marched through the streets, carrying placards, shouted slogans before converging at Monkey Ground. Speaking to the media, the chairman of Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, Wandan Bokjarwa, said that the rising trend in the prices of fuel has badly affected not only the owners and drivers of commercial vehicles but the entire people of the state. Jarwa said that his organization is adopting the peaceful means of agitation to impress on the state government that they need to reduce the prices of petrol and diesel, but these drives have fallen on the deaf ears of the state government. Jarwa said if the state government does not concede to the demand, they will have to adopt other stringent courses of action.
Lockdown ka khajna jo ka passenger tax kaduna bha hadian ka lockdown ka kiyo kani ka passenger tax takut tak ter ge berfal kolong ka jing thu jong sarkar kolong ba wala pi ai ki kidat ingi bangin yang de pi khre ban ot mak tai ki kidat jungi ta ek ya kata nagaleng ke jungi ngji si habang la bisa begini bang saya song ngini kenduk yang hak si sajan ya ka por ngi seperti pak ya caka ai bangin kenduk bang sesim pak dikibi senjam jong jingi ki la ta yang nang yai kuman sarkar ni hagini kiti buang ngi sesim haka jingelang ngji si masih sajan.
The president of Maulai People's Grievances Forum, Marbot Khat, said the increase of the various vehicle taxes has put the people in enormous economic hardship and demanded that the state government should start reducing them.
Ladakam pai khmat ke sarkar senok kendong ru kumno perhat yang kejinge no kendong mong tang hasor ho ni don kejinge hari kham tam lingi senok kendong ko sarkar kuno nyelam perhat lem pi bedan lala kejong konstituensi pi don lala kejong kinong kendong tu sengap lem yang unong yelam patu perhat lem ya kibire kanu kejinge ki kapang distom hadu no kejinge joki pinsia sa kumni pinong perhat syu Sim ya kanu no karai kemut. Kei ke bapirai. Kalong kapam suhun yu pai ba. Tham tam ngi lei kinong. Nanong kendong lei kemut. PI ti yar tengka kemut kam sui hab ei. Yar tengka indunai diesel kemut. Kume ong i wei long kumi. Wat sing tien kwai ngem yo. Re kam tam ngi lei nanong kendong anu kising e jungi. Da kumno ra ali silong kan perkhat lem ken. Ya kising penhiar ya diesel. Kabudunar kemut. Sipau lene khatsan. Perkhalia mingi bang subat sa kami tekap long. Nak kentui ru ministar kita dapat transport. Pai kemalem singi kinong kendong. Kanu singi jungi kinong kendong.
The owner of Maulai Petrol Pump S. Dingdo, who came to extend support to the rally, said the state government is in a position to reduce the prices of petrol and diesel if it wants by reducing the various vehicle taxes.
Ngala pensai tu singi keniat pisia habede bak tax nomor per banga kadang kalau ke sistem tek sistem mensuang sedang ya pamangtai tinggal kermau tinggi benai fab soal jangka lockdown ke government ke tax ya ke petrol ya ke diesel ke tax 13.5% but 13.5 kalai poinsan but ya ke petrol ki tax 22% kat bakasan sales tax ke 18% tinggi hak ban stu ke wiru baka petrol ke diesel kini ki doesn't fall within GST kini syak kategori saka Meghalaya value added tax kini ke state subject tinggal ngakan mau ba hadian ke lockdown wat tu ke lockdown ru ke ekonomi ke syahid so hard ba ngitep i brok hai i baka price jong crude oil ke international market ka her tindai pause hadian jong ka tang si benai ti benai April ngakan mau mid month jong April pada ke government ke ra ke tax jong ka diesel na 13.5 saka 22% but ke petrol na 22% saka 31% Tinggi sekolah dah hak bandra ke tax, so at least there has to be a gradual slope kan bandra mo. Supposing ka diesel nak 13.5, kadi bandra sa ka 15, 17 kunta kan re. Kansan kira bin nak 13.5 sa ka 22. Te bat kansan kira pat ya ka petrol nak 22 sa ka 31%. Te ngas ngau ba kani ka khata eventually ba ka khata ya kakta bat ya ka ikidok isok kan maka kiyo kansan fi ka petrol mesin ka kiyo ka baik kali teman obviously by kamarba mardi ro ka kiyo te kumbaga man should remind me fi to ngiro baka state jungi kolong totally dependable on roadways for transportation. Neither we have access to airways, waterways, na railways. We totally dependable on roadways for transportation. Te sisian bakla kiyo dor hi ka diesel tengah try ka marbam ro kan kiyo hi am sa khamtam ni baka state jungi pe ki khamtam yu khaw kapag transport ukhaw ko debit through FCI. Te state government kahapan ket bitak ya to 9 tons capacity bakla implement ka Supreme Court. Ni kamna ban violate ya to. Te eventually ka to bahap ket nang kanai ton for that distance we kapan cover. Ka to eventually ka kiyo dorte ya kamarbam.